Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to do your Chrysanthemum activity. So here we are on our main Google Classroom page. Don't forget to click on classwork. Okay, now we're in the reading category because we just read a book. So you can either scroll up and down to find reading, ours happens to be right here at the top, or remember you can click on the reading topic. And here is your activity, the Chrysanthemum activity. All right, here's the activity. And it says, I can type names of people and animals in my house. Ask the people in your home how to spell their name. Take time typing their name. If you have animals, ask them how to spell their name. Ask how to spell their names too. We can't ask our animals how to spell their name. They would just make a silly sound, huh? All right, so whoever is helping you today, have them show you how to type. If you don't know how to already, I'm going to erase this. I've actually already done it one time and I forgot to erase it. I'm going to start out with my name. Okay, here's another tip, guys. Did you know that when you are writing your name or anybody's name or the name of a store, the first letter is always going to be an uppercase letter, a capital letter. So ask somebody who's helping you how to do that on your keyboard. My name is Miss Palmer, so I'm going to type Miss Palmer. All right, another person in my house. It's my husband. His name is Seth, so I have a capital S and lowercase letters for the rest of them. And I already told you I have two dogs, Rayleigh and Reese. All right, that's everybody who lives in my house. So I'm done with the activity now. Make sure when you're done that you go back into your Google Classroom and there should be a little tab right here that says complete. Make sure you click on the complete button and it'll turn your activity in for you. You don't even have to save it. It automatically saves for you. All right, see you next time.